We've been taught from an early age that we need to stand up for our rights, that we can't stand back and let others take charge. We should try to be an advocate for our cause, and not only for ourselves, but also for important values that we want to ensure that are maintained and that we can fight for the betterment of society. The example for this in the portion Pinchas is the case of the 5 daughters of Tzalafchad. In this portion Pinchas, Moses informs the Israelites how each tribe will be settling in the land of Israel and will have their particular area, and within each tribe, every family will have its particular land holding. The lottery has been performed, and Moses shares the results with them and highlights the idea that land will be inherited by the oldest son and then be passed down that way from father to son in perpetuity. So the 5 daughters of the man Tzalafchad, who died in the desert because the generation of those who left Egypt died in the desert, advocate for Tzalafchad's landholding in the land of Israel. They say, the 5 daughters go to Moses and say, why, it's not fair. We should maintain our father's memory in the land of Israel. And Moses doesn't know how to respond. So Moses goes to God and says, what do we do? Do the daughters of Tzalafchad have a case? And God answers and said, yes, when there is no son, then daughters can inherit. And so it's only because the daughters went to Moses that Moses is able, through God, to be able to teach the people that there is an alternative, that everything isn't black and white. Sometimes a gray area needs to be examined and evaluated to find out what a different answer might be. And so again, this is the lesson that we shouldn't take things for granted. That if we feel that a different solution might be in order, that we need to fight for that, and we need to advocate for that. And let's take the daughters of Tzalafchad as an example to us to stand up for what is right and to learn new things. Shabbat Shalom.